Hello everyone, myself Pratyusha Mukhopadhyay. In the last video, I started a project on weather data analysis, and in the last video I showed the module 1, which was pre-processing the data, cleaning the data, and running some queries in SQL. Now in this module, I'll be showing I have done predictions for the years up to 2035, and that I've done in Excel using exponential forecasting method. And then I have stored the forecast data in another table in MySQL called forecast. And next I have added this forecast data set into my original weather table where I have had the data from the year 2022 to 33. So now I'm presenting the data through some dashboards. This is a graph of average temperature. We can see the seasonal and cyclic pattern over here. Next, this is the graph of line diagram of average wind speed on a daily basis. So as we can see that for every year there's a pattern, like in the initial for quarters. In the first quarter it's high, in the second quarter it's low, and again it's rising in the third or fourth quarter. So we are seeing this pattern for every year. Here also we can see that as we are tending towards the summer seasons, temperature is rising and then again falling. So we are seeing the same pattern for all years. Next, average gust speed, which we are seeing that there's a substantial leap in some months of some year. So we can see that there's a leap at second quarter or 2022. Next, September 14, 2020, quarter 3. Next, we are seeing a jump April 24, 2003, quarter 2. So, like that. But next, we see that the gust speed pattern are almost the same, and the values are quite low from these values. Next, we see the sum of rainfall for year, total amount of rainfall for every year. We see that almost 2023 and 2027. These two are almost same, and these two and 2027 had the most amount of rainfall. So the total rainfall for month is 1.76 k inch, and total rainfall for year is 21.41 k inch. Then sum of rainfall for month. So I have done this pie chart. So we can see that the highest amount of rainfall happened in January, 10.26%. Sorry, it was not January, it was the second highest, January. The first is 11.71%, that is the month of November. Next, the maximum temperature is 76.3 degree Fahrenheit, minimum is minus 12.10 degree Fahrenheit. Maximum gust speed is 240 almost mph. Minimum is 0. Maximum of wind speed is 26.4 mph, and minimum is 0. Next, we see the average temperature is 44.67 degree Fahrenheit. Average rainfall for year is 5.4 inch. For month is 0.45 inch. Average wind speed 5.76 inch. Average gust speed 10 mph. And average wind speed is 5.76 mph. Next, the average barometer is 29.88 inch, and average direction is 215.97 degree. It's the average wind direction. So thank you so much. This is module 2 of my weather forecast and analysis project.